Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Bazai YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the cutting-edge world of tech with confidence, clarity, and a passion for unraveling complex systems. Today, we're breaking down the architecture of Kgateway, the powerhouse API gateway built on Envoy proxy and the Kubernetes Gateway API. Buckle up because we're going full throttle into the technical nitty-gritty, using precise, domain-specific terminology to give you the deepest insights. If you love geeking out over scalable, secure, and resilient systems, smash that subscribe button, and let's get started. What is Kgateway? A high-level overview. Kgateway is a feature-rich, high-performance API gateway designed to orchestrate traffic in Kubernetes environments. Built on top of the Envoy proxy and aligned with the Kubernetes Gateway API, it provides fine-grained function-level control for routing, security, and observability. Unlike traditional gateways, Kgateway leverages Kubernetes' declarative configuration model and custom resource definitions, CRDs, to deliver unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Think of it as the air traffic controller for your microservices, ensuring every request lands exactly where it needs to with minimal latency and maximum security. Core components of Kgateway's architecture. The Kgateway architecture is a symphony of components working in harmony to manage traffic, enforce policies, and ensure resiliency. Let's break down each element with technical precision. 1. Envoy proxy, the data plane workhorse. At the heart of Kgateway lies Envoy, an open-source, high-performance proxy designed for cloud-native applications. Envoy serves as the data plane, handling the actual traffic routing, load balancing, and request processing. Here's why Envoy is a game-changer. Dynamic configuration. Envoy supports hot reloadable configurations via its XDS, Discovery Service, protocols, e.g., Listener Discovery Service, LDS, Cluster Discovery Service, CDS. This means Kgateway can update routing rules or policies without restarting the proxy, ensuring zero downtime updates. Advanced load balancing. Envoy implements sophisticated algorithms like weighted round-robin, least request, and consistent hashing to distribute traffic intelligently across backend services, optimizing for latency and fault tolerance. Observability. Envoy exposes detailed metrics, e.g., request latency, error rates, and supports integration with observability tools like Prometheus and Grafana, giving you deep insights into traffic patterns. Protocol support. From HTTP/1.1 and HTTP/2 to gRPC and WebSockets, Envoy handles a wide range of protocols, making Kgateway versatile for diverse workloads. Envoy's role in Kgateway is to act as the high-speed engine, processing requests with low latency while providing hooks for advanced features like rate limiting, circuit breaking, and request retries. 2. Kubernetes Gateway API, the control plane brain. The Kubernetes Gateway API is the control plane that defines how Kgateway operates. It's an evolution of the Kubernetes Ingress API, offering a more expressive and extensible model for managing L4 and L7 traffic. Here's the technical breakdown. Custom Resource Definitions, CRDs. The Gateway API introduces CRDs like Gateway, HTTP Route, and TCP Route, which allow declarative configuration of routing rules. For example, an HTTP route resource can specify path-based routing, header-based matching, or even weighted traffic splitting for canary deployments. Role-oriented design. The API separates concerns between infrastructure providers, who manage the gateway resource, and application developers, who define HTTP route rules. This decoupling enhances scalability and reduces configuration conflicts in multi-team environments. Extensibility. Unlike the Ingress API, the Gateway API supports vendor-specific extensions, allowing Kgateway to implement custom policies like rate limiting or authentication via CRDs, like traffic policy. The Gateway API enables Kgateway to provide fine-grained control over traffic routing, making it ideal for complex microservices architectures where precise traffic management is critical. 3. Traffic management, precision routing, and policies. Kgateway excels at traffic management, leveraging Envoy's capabilities and the Gateway API's declarative model. Let's dive into the key mechanisms. Path-based routing. Using HTTP route resources, Kgateway can route requests based on URL paths, e.g., /API/v1/users to one service, /API/v2/users to another. This is powered by Envoy's route configuration, which matches requests against predefined patterns. Header-based routing. Need to route requests based on headers like X user role or accept language. Kgateway supports this through the Gateway API's match rules, enabling advanced use cases like A/B testing or geo-based routing. Traffic splitting. For canary releases or blue-green deployments, Kgateway allows weighted traffic distribution, e.g., 90% to stable, 10% to canary, using HTTP route weights, ensuring smooth rollouts with minimal risk. Rate limiting and circuit breaking. Kgateway integrates Envoy's filters to enforce rate limits, e.g., 100 requests per minute per client, and circuit breakers to prevent cascading failures. These are configured via custom traffic policy CRDs. This level of control makes Kgateway a powerhouse for managing high-traffic, mission-critical applications. 4. Security, fortifying your APIs. Security is non-negotiable, and Kgateway delivers robust features to protect your APIs. TLS termination. Kgateway supports HTTPS by terminating TLS at the gateway, using Kubernetes secret resources to manage certificates. This ensures encrypted communication between clients and the gateway. Authentication and authorization. Through integration with external identity providers, e.g., OAuth 2, OpenID Connect, Kgateway can enforce authentication policies. Authorization is handled via role-based access control, RBAC, or custom policies defined in CRDs. Web Application Firewall, WAF Envoy's extensible filter chain allows Kgateway to implement WAF-like functionality, protecting against common threats like SQL injection or XSS attacks. These features ensure Kgateway acts as a secure front door to your services, safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. 5. Resiliency, building fault-tolerant systems. Kgateway is designed for resiliency, ensuring your applications stay online even under stress. Load balancing for high availability. By leveraging Envoy's load balancing, Kgateway distributes traffic across multiple pods or clusters, ensuring no single point of failure. Circuit breaking. If a back-end service starts failing, Gateway's circuit breakers detect outliers and temporarily halt requests to that service, preventing system-wide degradation. Retry logic. Envoy's retry policies allow Kgateway to automatically retry failed requests, e.g., due to transient network errors, improving reliability without client intervention. Cluster-wide CRDs. Kgateway supports multi-cluster deployments, syncing configurations across clusters using the Gateway API CRDs, ensuring consistent behavior in distributed environments. This makes Kgateway a rock-solid foundation for building fault-tolerant, scalable systems. Why Kgateway stands out. Kgateway isn't just another API gateway, it's a purpose-built solution for Kubernetes native environments. Its tight integration with the Kubernetes Gateway API and Envoy proxy gives it unmatched flexibility and performance. Whether you're running microservices, serverless functions, or hybrid workloads, Gateway's architecture ensures low-latency routing, robust security, and high availability. Wrapping it up, that's the deep dive into Gateway's architecture. From Envoy's high-performance data plane to the Kubernetes Gateway API's declarative control plane, Gateway is engineered to handle the demands of modern cloud-native applications. Its traffic management, security, and resiliency features make it a go-to choice for DevOps engineers and architects building scalable systems. Want to see Gateway in action or explore more cloud-native tech? Hit that subscribe button on the Bazai YouTube channel, like this video, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Let's keep the tech conversation going. I'll catch you in the next one.